guys and gals, what's going on? It's your girl Shareen Nicole and I'm back with another video. So in this video we're going to be doing a hair review. I got this wig off of Aliexpress. I'll show you what it's looking like. Actually came really quick. It was like 2-day shipping, so I thought that was pretty cool. I mean, it didn't say 2-day shipping, but that's how quick it came. 2 to 3 days guaranteed. It came in a FedEx bag, so I know it was good. So this is 100% human hair wig. They've got their email address on there and everything else. So I'm going to show you guys how it came. So there's a box. Yes, it did come beat up like this, but that's okay because we ain't worried about the box. We're worried about what's inside. So right off the bat, this is how it comes, like this. It's in a net. Got the lace. I believe this wig, I got it in the 6-inch parting space. See right there. It's got the tissue paper inside. The netting is on it. So this also says Jazz Star, and it's 12 inches. You've got your lace going on all throughout inside. Got a little bit of lace at the bottom with some baby hairs, so you guys can see that. And on the inside, you've got, 3 combs. So you've got one right here, and one right at the nape right there. So I'm excited. The hair feels super soft. The knots are not bleached. So the knots aren't bleached, but that's okay. I really don't care about stuff like that. Like legit, I just put the wig on and go. I rarely glue it down too. But we're gonna see how this video goes. It only cost, I say it was $60. They respond very quickly to anything you have to say. They responded quickly to me, so I was content with that. Alright, so let's see how this puppy looks. Got the combs right there also. I didn't show you guys that. It's got 2 combs right there. And you could change it and adjust it to your head. So I just gelled my hair down just in case you guys were wondering what I did. I already had my hair in a zigzag pattern, so I just went ahead and put some gel on it and gelled it back. So it's got a little bun right here. I put 1 clip in, and the other clips, the gel is really hard on my head, so I don't see myself putting these clips in the gel, but I'll just pull it down. So this is what it's looking like before I cut the lace. Does it have baby hairs? I like it. I think it's soft. So 12 inches, this is where it's coming. I don't know why I wore a black shirt with black hair, but at least I got my necklace on so you guys can see where the hair is falling. So it's right here. I'm probably gonna put some curls in it and stuff, but as far as right now, I don't believe you can see the bun in the back of my head. My bun's right here. Of course, if you go like this, you can feel it, but other than that, it's good. So I see some baby hairs coming through. Okay. You got some. It's got a nice hairline though. I do like the hairline. Now, mind you, my hairline is very full, like as far as how far it comes out. I have like these deep sideburns and stuff, so I really don't know if I'm gonna get this to go flush to my head. I don't want it to be too close and then, you know, it looking crazy and stuff. But yeah, I could pull it down a little bit to get over my hairline. But that's a nice hairline, y'all. Alright, so that's the baby hairs in the front. Let's see if there's any more along the edges. I mean, it don't seem like it's too much baby hairs going on here, but you know, you can just create some. It's a very thin layer between the baby hairs. It seems like they put the majority of the baby hairs right here in the front. I'm just doing a little parting. Yeah, this is the shortest length right here. It's not too much. So you take a little bit out or whatever. I ain't doing no plucking, so I'm gonna just show you guys what it's looking like. I'll probably put some makeup in there. But other than that, the hair is super soft. It really feels amazing, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this thing on my head because I'm telling you guys, if I try to do this on camera, it's not gonna be pretty. It's not gonna be pretty at all. I'm not even gonna hold you. I'm not even gonna waste your time. I will be right back. Guys, so I got this wig on. I tried to separate the baby hairs so I can go ahead and make some. Now, I will tell you, I got it on. It ain't the best. It ain't the worst either. But it's on. I normally, guys, when I tell you I don't put wigs on like this, I don't put wigs on like this. Like, For real, the way I put my wigs on is I just glue my baby hairs down to my forehead and my wig is on. Okay. So what I decided to do here was, so I only glued like the perimeter right here, and I left these open because it came all the way down here and I didn't want to cut that. So I decided to tuck it in, and I could put some right there. And I decided to tuck it in, and what I'll do is pull my baby hairs down and connect that to that. Right now, I'm gonna go ahead and cut these baby hairs. Show you guys what came in the box. So sorry I didn't show you guys. So it comes with a little clip like this, little bow clip, cute. You got some hair ties, got 2 of these in there, super cute. And it comes with a card and how to care for wigs, like so. Well, like I said, thank you for joining me. Make sure you like, comment, rate, share, and subscribe, and until next time, guys, bye.